for friend, Kayla here with Dox Design. You're probably wondering what this branding process looks like step by step. Here's what you need to know when you're going through branding with Dox Design. First things first is after you get this handy dandy proposal, we get you all situated with a start date and timeline. The first step in the process is for you to tell us everything. We'll give you an in-depth questionnaire to answer all of your burning brand questions, and then that will get down to the heart of the brand and help us guide our design decisions. So here's a little sneak peek of what that questionnaire would look like. After we have that questionnaire all filled out, we will translate it into what we call the exploration phase. This is where we do a deep dive into your brand, creating a strategy that guides all our design decisions moving forward. You'll get a one-page creative brief and mood board to approve before we get to the fun part, actually designing. So we are going to be using our client Mindfully Made as an example for this video. So you will see we took their questionnaire, we translated it into a creative brief. Their tone was boho, inviting, handcrafted, and care. They really wanted to give across that handcrafted and really boho feel. So from the questionnaire, we derive a mood board, and this is where the visual direction of the brand will be guided moving forward. So after we send you this exploration phase to approve, Dox Design on the back end will work on brand sketches for your new brand. So here's just a little sneak peek at some of the design software we use. It's called Adobe Illustrator. You can see our messy back end process here. We will go through tons and tons of logo sketches until we get down to one we really think resonates with you and really is the right logo direction for your brand. So after we work through all of the sketches, we will go ahead and do a brand presentation. This is where we will bring your brand to life. We hop on a call with you and present your new brand, walking through the reasoning behind our design direction. So we will give you an overview of your target audience, show you kind of some of the initial sketches that we had done, and then we will decide on one logo direction we think really is the right one for your brand. So in this, we will kind of give you a sneak peek of typography, color. We will start to play out the application of your brand so you can start to see how the patterns, the icon, the color, and the fonts all work together. Because a logo on a white piece of paper isn't enough, you need to see the vision of the brand and how all these special designer touches that our team at Dox Design does works to create a jewel-worthy brand for you. So after we go ahead and present you this brand direction, we will go through one round of feedback if you have any. If not, that is fine by us, and we will take this logo and translate it into your final deliverable, which is your brand guidelines. So we will take that logo and create a master brand document for you, which you can see the example on our service page. I won't go too deep into it, but pretty much gives you your brand reference at a glance, tells you about your logo, the different file types, different fonts and how you should be using them, colors and all the different hex codes and numbers you need, as well as your brand pattern. So with this, you will get the brand guidelines and you'll get all the final files you need. Then if you are part of our massive branding package, we go beyond this and we will help create social media graphics for you, either a print piece or a packaging piece, which all of that will be emailed to you. And it's kind of similar process where we will present the final print pieces for you and packaging pieces, go through one round of revisions, and then give you all the final files. So there you have it, guys. That is the branding process at Dox Design. Quick, easy, tried and true to give you a jewel-worthy brand every time.